Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to connect with you today. I want to share something profound and life-changing with you, a message that speaks to the essence of who you are and the immense power you possess. Have you ever felt that what you desire is just out of reach? That perhaps it's meant for someone else, or that you need to work harder to attain it? Today, I want to tell you something incredibly liberating: it's already yours. Yes, it is. You simply need to trust in the power of assumption. Now, let's explore what that means. Life often presents us with challenges, doubts, and fears. We may find ourselves caught in the loop of thinking, if only I had this or that, I would be happy. But let me remind you, happiness and fulfillment do not come from external circumstances. Instead, they arise from within us, from our beliefs and our assumptions about life. Every experience you have begins with a thought, a belief, or an assumption. This is the very foundation upon which your reality is built. The power of assumption is a remarkable tool. When you assume a state of being that aligns with your desires, you align yourself with the vibrational frequency of that desire. It's as if you are tuning into a radio station, and the frequency you choose determines what music you hear. If you want to hear the music of abundance, joy, and fulfillment, you must first attune your mind to that frequency. This is the essence of faith in yourself and your desires. You see, it's not about wishing for something to happen, it's about knowing that it already exists. Imagine your desire as a beautiful painting that you have already created in your mind. It's there, waiting for you to step into it. The moment you truly believe it's yours, the universe conspires to bring it into your physical reality. The key is to embody the feeling of already having it. What would it feel like to live in that state? How would you walk, talk, and interact with the world if you were already in possession of what you desire? I encourage you to take a moment and visualize your desire. Picture it in vivid detail, how it looks, how it feels, and even the sounds associated with it. This visualization is not just a mere daydream, it's a powerful act of creation. By consistently revisiting this mental image, you reinforce your belief in its existence. Note, belief is not just a passive state, it requires active participation. You must feed it with thoughts and feelings that resonate with your assumption. It's essential to understand that the process of manifestation is not instantaneous for everyone. Just as a seed takes time to grow, your desires may take time to materialize. This is where patience and trust come into play. Trust the process and have faith that what you desire is on its way. Your responsibility is to maintain that feeling of assurance, even when external circumstances seem contrary. One of the most common obstacles we face is doubt. It creeps in, whispering words of negativity and fear, causing us to question our assumptions. However, it is crucial to recognize that doubt is merely a thought, and thoughts can be changed. When you catch yourself doubting, gently remind yourself of your power. Shift your focus back to the certainty of your assumption. Ask yourself, what would I believe if I truly knew that my desire was already mine? This simple yet profound question can redirect your energy and bring you back to a state of trust. It's also important to cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that elevates your vibration and aligns you with your desires. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you open the door to receiving even more. It's a beautiful cycle: gratitude attracts abundance, and abundance fuels gratitude. Make it a daily practice to express gratitude for your desires as if they have already manifested. This practice not only elevates your mood but also reinforces your belief in the reality of your assumptions. Let's talk about the importance of persistence. Persistence is key in this journey of manifestation. You may face setbacks or moments of uncertainty, but note that your desires are not dependent on the whims of the external world. Stay committed to your assumptions, and don't waver in your belief. The universe is always working in your favor, even when you can't see it. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it until it blooms. You may not see the growth immediately, but with consistent care and belief, it will manifest in due time. Sometimes, we may find ourselves caught in negative thought patterns that hinder our progress. It's essential to be aware of these thoughts and consciously redirect them. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them, but don't let them take root. Instead, replace them with positive affirmations that reinforce your assumptions. For instance, if you're feeling anxious about your financial situation, remind yourself, "I am abundant, and my financial needs are met." This simple shift in thought can make a significant difference in your reality. In addition, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people who uplift you and inspire you to grow. Our environment plays a crucial role in shaping our beliefs and assumptions. Seek out those who share a similar mindset and encourage you to trust in the power of assumption. Note, we are social beings, and the energy we surround ourselves with can either uplift us or drag us down. Now, let's discuss the concept of surrender. Surrendering does not mean giving up on your desires, rather, it means releasing the need to control how and when they will manifest. When you surrender, you free yourself from the burden of anxiety and uncertainty. It's a deep trust that the universe knows the best timing for your desires to come to fruition. This doesn't mean being passive, instead, it's about actively participating while allowing the universe to work its magic in its own time. You might wonder, how do I know when I have truly embodied my assumption? The answer lies in the way you feel. When you assume a state of being that aligns with your desires, you will experience a sense of peace, joy, and certainty. Your external circumstances may not have changed yet, but internally, you will feel transformed. This internal shift is a sign that you are on the right path. Trust that this feeling is valid, and hold on to it as you continue your journey. As you navigate this process, note that your past does not define your future. Many people hold on to limiting beliefs rooted in past experiences, thinking that they cannot change their circumstances. But the truth is, you are not bound by your history. Each moment is a new opportunity to create your reality. Let go of the shackles of the past and step into the realm of infinite possibilities. Your past is merely a story, and you have the power to write a new one. Take a moment to reflect on your desires. What do you truly want? Are you clear about what you want to manifest in your life? Clarity is essential in the process of assumption. Take time to journal your thoughts and feelings, allowing them to flow freely. This practice helps clarify your desires and strengthens your belief in their reality. The more clarity you have, the more effective your assumptions will be. Additionally, visualize your desires regularly. Create a vision board or a visualization practice that resonates with you. This act of visualizing reinforces your belief and keeps your desires at the forefront of your mind. It's not just about seeing your desires, it's about feeling them as if they are already part of your life. Engage all your senses in this visualization, see it, feel it, and even hear it. This immersive experience will strengthen your connection to your desires. Another vital aspect of this journey is self-love. You must love yourself enough to believe that you are worthy of your desires. Self-love is the foundation upon which your assumptions are built. When you value yourself, you naturally align with what you want. Practice self-care, speak kindly to yourself, and nurture your soul. The more you love and appreciate yourself, the more you open the door to receiving. At the end of this exploration of the power of assumption, I want you to carry this message in your heart: trust in yourself and your desires. You are a powerful creator, and the universe is always responding to your beliefs and assumptions. Whenever you feel doubt or uncertainty creeping in, return to this truth. Your desires are already yours, you simply need to claim them through the power of your thoughts and feelings. In closing, I encourage you to think of this journey with an open heart and an unwavering belief in yourself. The universe is waiting to deliver your desires, but it requires your active participation. Trust in the power of assumption, embody the feeling of having what you desire, and let go of the need to control the how and when. Note, it's already yours, trust and watch as it unfolds before you. As we draw this conversation to a close, I invite you to reflect on the powerful insights we've explored together. The notion that you have the ability to shape your reality through the power of assumption is profound and liberating. You hold within you the creative energy to manifest your desires, and it's time to take ownership of that power. I encourage you to take these teachings to heart and apply them to your life. Think of the mindset of, "It's already yours," and watch how your circumstances begin to shift in alignment with your beliefs. Each moment is a chance to affirm your desires and embody the feelings associated with having them. If you found this message inspiring and valuable, I would greatly appreciate your support. Please take a moment to like this video. Your engagement helps to spread this powerful message to others who are seeking change in their lives. By subscribing to the channel, you will gain access to more empowering content that can help you on your journey to manifesting your desires. Your subscription means the world to me, and it enables us to create a supportive space for growth and transformation. Note to share this message with anyone who might benefit from hearing it. By sharing, you are contributing to the ripple effect of positivity and empowerment in the world. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you and connect with you further. Thank you for being here and for investing in your personal growth. Your commitment to understanding and applying the power of assumption is a step toward a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Let's continue this journey together, and may you always trust in your ability to create the life you desire.